If you are relying only on your years of experience to take your career to the next level, you are making a big mistake. Because AI is about to upend everything. जो कुछ हम सोचते थे अपने करियर के बारे में, it's all changing. For decades, we believed that more experience meant more knowledge and more knowledge meant more career growth. हम अपनी एक्सपर्टीज पे गर्व करते थे कि जो सालों तक एक ही डोमेन या फंक्शन में काम करके प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करके और डीप इंसाइट डेवलप करके बनाई थी. बट विथ एआई दैट फार्मूला इज चेंजिंग. एआई मॉडल्स टुडे कैन एब्जॉर्ब द नॉलेज ऑफ एन एंटायर इंडस्ट्री इन जस्ट वीक्स. और ये जो प्रीमियम होता था ना, ईयर्स ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस का, इट्स श्रिंकिंग डे बाई डे. इवन 5 साल पहले जब चैट जीपीटी नहीं था, most people believed that automation would only affect routine rule-based jobs. एक जनरल assumption था कि only high-level thinking roles like consultant, financial analyst और creative roles like graphic designer and copywriters are safe. Automation कुछ नहीं कर सकता उनका जी. Only rule-based instruction-driven job is at risk. ये एक धारणा थी चैट जीपीटी के आने से पहले तक. But AI has flipped that belief on its head. The more analytical, mathematical or creative the job, the more likely it is to be automated. This puts millions of highly educated professionals at risk. The World Economic Forum's Future of Job report के मुताबिक by 2030, 90 million jobs will be displaced and 170 million new jobs will be created because of AI. मतलब 9 करोड़ जॉब जो हैं वो गायब हो जाएंगे, लेकिन 17 करोड़ नए जॉब क्रिएट होंगे. But this is not one-to-one mapping. This means 2 big things for you as a working professional. Number 1, your current job may be at risk if it falls among those 90 million expected to vanish. And 2, there is a massive opportunity ahead if you upskill and move towards the 170 million new jobs AI will create. The key lies in upskill. Learning new skills, skills that match the demands of the future, not the past. And this video is all about how to upskill to move from 90 million groups that are under threat to 170 million group that will flourish in AI age. So, what exactly are these new skills you need to learn? Whether you are from a technical background or a non-technical one, here are 5 skills and concrete actions you can take today to upskill and future-proof your career. Let's start with those who have a software or technical background. You are already familiar with systems and logic. आपका गोल होना चाहिए कि आप AI में और डेप्थ लें और अपने टेक स्किल्स को मार्केट के नेक्स्ट डिमांड के साथ अलाइन करें. So, 5 specific actions for you, Mr. Techie. Number 1, learn prompt engineering. Master the art of writing clear, specific and structured prompts so AI tools give accurate and useful results.
आप वीडियो को पॉज कर प्रॉम्प्ट का डिफरेंस पढ़ सकते हैं.
देखा? In the good prompt, the AI gets context, exact language and testing framework and even the tricky cases to check. That's good prompt engineering. Number 2, get hands-on with generative AI tools. Work with not only different large language models like ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude and Grok, but also the ecosystem of tools needed for an LLM-centric solution. Example के लिए LangChain ecosystem, tools for chunking and embedding data, vector databases like Pinecone or Weaviate, API integration techniques, MCP तो आजकल बहुत नया चल रहा है, and model fine tuning. The idea is कि सिर्फ LLM मत जानिए, LLM के अराउंड जो टूल इकोसिस्टम डेवलप हुआ है डिफरेंट पर्पस के लिए, डिफरेंट काम करने के लिए, उसको भी पूरा जानिए. Number 3, strengthen core technical skills. Based on your focus, deepen your expertise in areas like Python programming, custom API development, microservices design, and database management. If infrastructure is your strength, focus on cloud platforms like AWS and Azure, or move towards Docker, Kubernetes, and CI/CD pipelines. Number 4, build AI augmented applications. Once you have covered the basics in the first 3 steps, start applying your skills to real-world projects. Examples include automating a repetitive workflow in finance, or creating a chatbot to answer product FAQs, or developing a live dashboard that uses AI to analyze customer reviews. And number 5, collaborate cross-functionally. Partner with product, marketing, HR, or operations team to design AI solutions for their specific needs. For example, work with HR to create an AI tool that automatically screens resume and generates interview questions, or with marketing to create an AI-powered content generator. Now, let's move to the second group, people from non-technical background. So, जो engineering या technical background के नहीं हैं, कोई ज़रूरत नहीं उनको कोडर बनने के लिए, लेकिन AI अवेयर होना और अपने डोमेन में टूल्स स्मार्टली यूज़ करना जरूरी है. 5 specific actions for people with non-technical background. Take a beginner AI course. Start with programs like AI for Everyone by Andrew Ng or AI for Leaders. These courses explain AI concepts without needing coding skills, making them perfect for beginners. Number 2, experiment with different LLMs or Gen AI models. Try tools like ChatGPT, Google Gemini, Anthropic Claude, or Xgrok, or anyone else. There are so many, maybe 20-25 different models you can try. Each model, which we call large language model, has its strength. For example, ChatGPT is great for brainstorming and summarizing, Gemini for integrating with Google tools, Claude for handling long documents, and Grok for real-time information from X. Experiment with free versions to see which fits your work style and work demand best. Number 3, map AI opportunities in your domain. Whether you are in HR, marketing, finance, or sales, list out repetitive or data-heavy tasks that AI could automate or improve. For example, in HR, AI can shortlist resumes. In marketing, it can generate ad copy. In finance, it can forecast expenses. And in sales, it can personalize outreach emails. Start small. Pick one task and test an AI tool on it before expanding to more areas. Action number 4, collaborate with tech teams. Don't hesitate to work with your IT or data science colleagues. आपके डोमेन नॉलेज उनके टेक्निकल एक्सपर्टीज के साथ मिलकर एक पावरफुल AI सॉल्यूशन क्रिएट कर सकते हैं. So go for it. For example, as a marketing professionals, you could partner with the tech team to build an AI-powered lead scoring system that identifies the most promising prospect based on the past sales data. Or Pachma action, improve your adaptability and communication. Learn to explain your problems clearly, break them into smaller parts, and think in a structured way. This helps AI tools and tech teams give you better solutions. For example, instead of saying, I need help with data, say, I need a dashboard showing last quarter sales by region compared to targets. Stay updated on AI trends through newsletters like Ben's Bytes or Future Tools. They share practical use cases, new tools, and success stories to inspire your own projects. Once you start taking these actions, it is critical to be consistent and continue on this new path in the AI world. Remember, the people who will thrive in the future aren't the ones with the most degrees or longest CVs. जीत उनकी होगी जो फास्ट सीख सकते हैं, फास्ट अडॉप्ट कर सकते हैं और AI के साथ मिल के काम कर सकते हैं. So ask yourself, where do you want to be when the dust settles? In a role that's getting automated and obsolete, or in a space that's growing, evolving, and creating impact? Okay, now I'm coming to a close. But before I close, let me underscore an important point. AI is not there to replace you. लेकिन कोई ऐसा जो AI यूज़ करना जानता है, वो ज़रूर आपको रिप्लेस कर सकता है. So don't wait for someone to train you. Don't wait for your company to offer a program. Take charge, be proactive, be uncomfortable, because the skills of the future are not taught, they are explored. If you have found value in this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. My next video is about how to break free from self-limiting beliefs. This video will be very helpful to those who think that they are not ready to adopt and ride the AI wave. So you do not want to miss this video. Thanks for watching, and until next time, this is Rajul Kumar signing off.